Hi, I'm going to show you how I made my daughter's moss rug. First of all, what she did was she came up with the design. She drew it on paper and came up with that. Then she drew it on the burlap. Here's the supplies you'll need: scissors, a crochet hook, needle, and the dollar store glasses if you're blind like me. Some pom-pom makers. Really, one trick with the pom-pom makers: if you use a blade, a razor blade, or one of these blades, it's so much better than the scissors cutting it off. But just be careful. Here's the pom pom, a bunch of them. You have to make a ton of pom poms. Here's my rug punch. I only used it for one thing on it, and this is it. I really didn't like it that much. And burlap, you can use your burlap material or monk. I think monk your material, and lots of green yarn. I use a lot, different kinds, and crochet just a bunch of circles. I crocheted some flowers, crocheted some curlies. Just if you don't know how to crochet, and just look them up. There's a bunch of videos on how to make them. We laid it out. I kind of like just throw it down, and then I started to put it together. And putting it together, you just use your yarn needle and poke it through the other side, and secure it in the back. Um, Took me forever to make it because I kept putting it down, and then I just kept adding and adding. And here is the final product. And then the back, isn't it beautiful? You don't see that. You can always cover it if you want. And I liked it a lot, and I think it kind of looked like coral. And I think my next project is going to be a coral rug because I love scuba diving.